Frozen 2 hitting theaters very soon. So check out this enormous box. We are going to do an unboxing
of Frozen toys.
Frozen toys, everything from Hasbro. We're going to have all kinds of stuff in here. I'm not exactly sure what. I took a little peek. But I think every doll, every game, basically I think everything from Hasbro. So let's see some of the things that we're going to have. Let's see if we can stand them all up and we can show everything. So I'm going to start.
Have a couple Elsa dolls.
Oh my goodness, the little families, those figurines. Look at these dolls. And then look at this one. It sings the new song. So let's see if we can do that. Oh my gosh, how do I get her to work? And then Kenzie's got one over there.
This is the water horse spirit thing. Really cool. And of course Elsa. And then here we have this cool thing. It's Elsa. Ooh, but this little machine braids her hair for you.
Oh, so, I think I saw that in stores. Yeah. There's even one for Anna too. And these are some new characters we've got, which is going to be fun to see in theaters. We've got more new characters coming.
A couple of the dolls have like double outfits.
Yeah, they have like fashion dolls, which are really cool. And then of course the singing doll. So this is going to be, I guess, Elsa's new song, Into the Unknown. So we can have a little preview of that. And that's Into the Unknown. Okay, so there is still so much.
We also have these cute little small dolls, and look, all this, it's like a snow globe of the leaves.
Because we know there's all kinds of leaves with this, so we don't just have ice this season, right? Games, Trouble, Monopoly, this is all from Hasbro, so they gifted all these things to us for us to review, and yes, this is a crazy amount of Frozen stuff, really but we will donate these with the holidays coming. We will donate many of these toys after our reviews, since we obviously do not need all these, but we want to be able to show you everything. Oh, so this is the big one. Oh my goodness. So this is amazing.
Olaf,
so we've got the full sledding adventure, and this is from Hasbro for Frozen 2. This is amazing. Look at all this stuff. And then we have a few other little things in here, it looks like. These will be great stocking stuffers. These are always those fun surprise packs that you can get. The little Pop Adventures. And
another Pop Adventure.
We even got Play-Doh.
And
Frozen Play-Doh that you, look here, we've got Anna and Elsa, look at that, here, and then mystery characters as well, and this is from Play-Doh.
And this is a cute little Olaf game, Bop It.
So I love that there's board games as well, not just dolls. So besides the dolls, we've got Play-Doh themed, we've got a Trouble game, which is really fun for little kids, and of course Monopoly. So whatever you want Frozen, you can pretty much have. See ya!
Bye!